where this is some of the area flooding. This is all flooded here due to the river that runs through here and the ice that's building up by the bridges. All the area flooding, it goes all the way back here, all the way back there. Just about half hour ago I was able to walk on the sidewalks over here, and now you can't due to the area flooding. It's coming up quite fast actually. The courthouse parking lot is all flooded. This area is all flooded here. People are having to be removed from the apartment building right back there that you can kind of barely see through the trees. There's been a lot of people have been evacuated. But yeah, they're moving things with these cranes that are right here, and bulldozers and dump trucks. Companies are all kind of moving their vehicles around, trying to get them out of the water area. Businesses are flooding. Yeah, all this area. There's way back here where you can't see, but there's so much flooding that a football field is, you can't even tell that it's really a football field. There's just a couple of bleachers standing above the water right now at this time. But yeah, you used to be able to walk on the sidewalks there, and now you can't. This street is supposed to be closed off, but people are still leaving businesses and things to get away from this street here. That's a TV crew. They're all over the place right now. Just earlier there was some drones up in the air trying to get footage of the area flooding. But yeah, so I am safe where I am currently, so I don't have to, nobody has to worry. Any of my relatives that see it, I'm fine. Just gonna be stayed bunkered in for a little while. But yeah, there's a dump truck there leaving with ice. Sorry about the noise. So yeah, alright, just a little footage of the flooding today. Like I said, due to the ice chunks that blocked the bridges in the river. Alright, see you later. Bye.